Hi, I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill. We're sticking with our party theme, and I'm doing twice grilled potatoes. Let's get started. Both of these are done. Doing the potatoes on the grill with such a high heat, they really take no time at all. Now I'm going to let these cool down for about 20 minutes before I cut into them. In the meantime, we're going to get our sausage down. Now I'm just going to use Chapel Hill sausage, which is a sausage company right here in Texas. Potatoes have been cooling for about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and get them together. We're going to go ahead and start by quartering both of the potatoes. We'll remove all of the inside of the potato and just place them in a bowl. Go ahead and start adding all of our other ingredients. This is just a little bit of parsley, some green onions, as many as you like. That melted butter, about a teaspoon of salt, fresh cracked black pepper, some shredded Mexican blend cheese, and a heaping tablespoon of sour cream. Get this mixed all together. Okay, so I am not trying to make this smooth. I want it to be a little rustic, so all the potato still has texture. You can see the jalapeno in the sausage. This is really good sausage. Once we have everything mixed up, we're going to get that mixture and place them all over the baked grilled potato skins. For a little bit more spice, I have one red chili pepper, a few more green onions, and a little more cheese right on top. We're going to let those go on the grill for about 10 or 15 minutes to make sure all the cheese is melted, and then I can't wait till they come off. Looks so good. Perfect appetizer for any party or any game day snack. Thanks for watching A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny. I'll see you next time.